Hi, welcome to GenRocket Tutorials video. In the first video of this series, we explored more about G-families and discovered their key core components. In the second video followed by, we mastered the first of G-family's core components, entity relationship diagram, and key components of an ER diagram. And in the previous video, we became an expert in the second of G-family's core component, families, and its capability of simplifying the complex data models by categorizing them into smaller related family groups. In this video, we will take a deep dive on the last of G-family's core components called G-cases. Get ready for an exciting learning adventure journey as we delve deeper into the interesting world of G-cases. Now, let's understand what is G-cases in G-families in simple terms. G-cases refers to test data cases that empower users to configure the test data specific to necessary related domains. With just a few clicks, G-cases are effortlessly created from G-families to meet the test data requirements of a test case. Let's understand and explore more from our usual bank database examples. This is a full view of bank database entity relationship diagram showing various tables and their relationships with each other tables. G-families helps to simplify this bank data model into smaller related family groups such as transaction family and card product family. With the base set, now let's explore a real-life scenario where the team has just completed the development activities for the account creation module. This module focuses on creating accounts on a selected bank branch with the data getting stored into the account table. Now, as they gear up for the unit test, the biggest challenge at hand is to set up the test data. Remembering the learnings from the previous video on the foreign keys, in the CR diagram, observe the accounts table. It has got 3 foreign keys, connected and referring to 3 different tables. For setting up the test data on the account table, we need to ensure the referential integrity by setting up the test data for the branch, account level and account type tables before the account table. This is where the G-cases from G-families comes to the rescue, enabling a swift setup of test data cases that generates the data exclusively for the required tables. In our scenario, for the account test data setup, all we have to do is, from the already identified families, simply choose the transaction family and then select the branch, account level, account type and then the account domain to generate the data with the referential integrity. That's it. As promised, with just a few clicks, our test data case is ready now, which generates the test data tailored to meet our test case needs. Absolutely effortless and cleverly crafted. Let's stay focused and explore the magics of G-cases in the integration test phase. Imagine a scenario where the team has just completed the development activities for transaction processing functionality. Transaction processing module revolves around the processing of transactions on the customer accounts and the data is captured in the transaction table. And now they are ready for the integration test phase. As you can see in the transaction table, it has got 3 foreign keys referring to 3 different tables. Those 3 tables have got multiple foreign keys referring to multiple other tables. Hence, the test data setup becomes quite challenging as we need to maintain the referential integrity for the integration test phase. Here is where the G-cases comes to the rescue like a superhero, offering its remarkable capabilities to set up the test data case in a few clicks. Now, for the transactions test data setup, all we have to do is, from the already identified families, just by looking at the transactions family ER diagram, click and choose all the necessary dependent domains effortlessly. It is noteworthy that the relationship between the account and the transactions table is one-to-many, signifying that each account can have multiple transactions. To satisfy that condition, G-cases also have the options to specify the number of transactions to be available for each account. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, our test data case is now ready, ensuring 100% compliance with referential integrity. This streamlined approach from G-families is truly remarkable. Let's do a quick recap on our learning so far. In the previous 3 videos of this series, we have seen and explored on overview of G-families and its core components. Then, followed by, we have explored the first of GenRocket's G-families core component, entity relationship diagram. In the subsequent video, we gain knowledge on second of G-family's core component, families. In this video, we mastered the third of GenRocket G-family's core component, G-cases, and explored how it helps in automating the building of G-cases from G-families to generate the test data specific for the test case need. Amazing learning. Well done. See you in the next video on the topic end-to-end demo on G families. Thank you for watching this GenRocket tutorial video.